Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a nice quality, lightweight, and expandable garden hose, check out this one from Adimos. This is a 100-foot garden hose and it is perfect for a large yard. I really appreciate that it comes with this built-in brass on-off valve, which makes it really easy to turn your water off and on no matter where you are, even if you're far away from your faucet. I really like the hose nozzle that it came with. It has 10 different spray functions, so you are sure to be able to have a function that is working for whatever you are needing it for, whether it's watering plants, washing your car, washing off the driveway. This is a really handy little nozzle and it works really well. It's comfortable to use and has a nice grip to it. I also really appreciate this length and the fact that it is expandable. So it's stretchy, you can go super far and get everything that you need done. So this is made from a really durable material. And the cool thing about it is when you turn the water on, you can actually see how it expands. So with the water off, it's kind of this coiled look. And then as you turn the water on, it fully expands and it's really nice because the hose itself doesn't take up a lot of space when you're just storing it and not using it, and it's super lightweight. So this is not difficult to move around your yard. It is not difficult to store, and it also does not kink. So I love that about it. So we've been super happy with this product. It works really well. It's a great quality. It's so lightweight that it's really easy to maneuver all around the yard. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.